Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share 2 secrets with you. 1, this is a margarita. And 2 is how I remove unwanted hair right at home. So for the last couple weeks, I've basically been a human guinea pig for you guys, and myself. And I've been testing the Kenzie. What is the Kenzie, you ask? I'm glad you asked. The Kenzie is a premium IPL handset. What the heck does that mean? So here's the breakdown. IPL is literally just an acronym, and IPL stands for Intense Pulsed Light. IPL is used for many different reasons because it increases the production of collagen in your skin, which is great for reducing and treating blemishes, pigmentation, fine lines and wrinkles, and in today's case, hair removal. I want you to raise your hand if you've ever been personally victimized by forgetting to shave and wearing your tank top and your pit hair just hanging out. We've all been there. Honestly, shaving and waxing takes a lot of time, especially if you're like me and it grows back like literally 2 days later. So Kenzie actually reached out to me and I was super interested. Who doesn't want to remove unwanted hair pain-free and in the comfort of your own home? So we know what IPL stands for, but what does it actually do? So IPL is a form of light therapy. It literally emits wavelengths within the skin at various depths. So it's going to go right to the root or cell of the hair follicle, causing a reduction in how much hair you're producing and the texture of it, like the coarseness and thickness of it. So basically you will have to shave way less often. And with summer right around the corner, perfect timing. So I'm gonna do my first full session with you guys next and do kind of the full breakdown on this guy and show you my progress and results. All right, so I figured I should show you guys what the average is. So this is after a week of not shaving. I am terribly sorry for how hairy they are right now. And I desperately need a pedicure, but quarantine. So this is the perfect time to grow my leg hair out anyway. So it gets pretty long, pretty dark naturally to about my knee, and then everything above my knee is just like blonde. Can't really see it, but you can definitely feel it. So I'm excited to see the result after using the Kenzie. All right, so I figured we could do like a little unboxing together. So this is what it looks like when it first arrives. And we have the quick start guide. Here is the handset itself with obviously the cord and adapter here. So this is going to be the front of it and this is the back. So the front here we have the pulse button. This is the intensity / ready light, and then the cooling air outlet here. And then on the back side, this is the cooling air inlet, the power intensity button, and the window light. So this is the actual part that goes onto your skin and hair. So before I begin my treatment, I'm going to prep my skin. So I'm going to shave all the hair. So I just shaved, prepped, ready to go. I plugged in the Kenzie and you can see the green flashing light here. So this is the power button. It's also going to be used to switch the intensity, which you will see the blue light here, and it'll be 1 through 5. So it says to get the best results, you should use at level 5, which is the highest, but you should definitely practice or test this out first on a lower level to get used to the feeling of the IPL. So I'm gonna press the green button here, and you can see the little blue light for the intensity levels. Also, be sure if you do have any tattoos, you can see I have a couple that you go around them. It's not meant to be used over the tattoo. So you're gonna place the window directly onto the area that you are treating, and you can just go through each section, pressing it. See the big flash of light. So it's pretty easy to figure out. The Kenzie light window will flash pink when it's pressed directly against the skin. It's because the Kenzie has a safety sensor and it will not activate unless pressed directly against the skin. And you can see the area that's being treated is turning slightly pink, which honestly makes it easier for me to figure out where I have and have not treated yet. And it doesn't hurt, it just feels like pressure and warmth. And you might need to move your leg to get that window completely onto the skin, obviously, or whatever area you're treating. So you can go through each section pressing the pulse button as you move each time, which is better for smaller areas, but for larger areas it's kind of easier if you just hold down the pulse button. It'll cause the Kenzie to have fast bursting pulses rather than having to do each movement and pulse one at a time. And then once you're finished your treatment, to turn off the Kenzie, you just press and hold the green button on the back. The green light will turn off and you know that it's off. Again, you want to make sure you don't have anything on your skin prior to the treatment, but once you finish your session, you definitely should apply moisturizer over top.
This will just help to hydrate and soften the skin post-treatment. That'll also help cool down the warmth or tingling feeling that you may get. So here are my results. You can see the before and after side by side. The before is 1 week without shaving before any treatment using the Kenzie, and the picture next to it is after 3 sessions of using the Kenzie and 1 week without shaving. Within the same amount of time, you can see there's a huge reduction in hair growth. I also started treatment on my armpits. I find myself shaving regularly, like literally every other day. So using the Kenzie in this area will definitely cut back on time that I spend shaving this area. And I just follow the same steps. I'm gonna move my body in the Kenzie until the handset fits directly onto the skin. You see that pink flashing light and you can just press the button. Within a few minutes, the session is done. And again, I have my before and after pictures here.
You guys know I'm always a skeptic. I have to try something for myself. I'm telling you, this is seriously an amazing investment. Rather than all the cost of going to the salon, which I would have to go literally every 2 weeks if I was gonna wax, and the cost of razors, etc. And it's a lot more affordable than going to like a laser hair removal type center. It's a one-time payment. Again, you also just do this at home, so you don't have to leave your home and go to a salon or a center or whatever. You can do this any time of day or night, wearing whatever, doing whatever, drinking margs. Dear 1 pound, 2 ounce, sweet baby Kenzie, I just want to thank you for removing my unwanted leg and underarm hair. And I'm super duper excited to move on to my bikini line and upper lip. So all in all, honestly, I would give this a 10 out of 10. It's pain-free, it's easy, it's affordable, it's a smart investment, it's something you're going to use and it's going to give you lasting results. It's perfect for any male or female who is looking to remove unwanted hair. Anywhere on the body, you can literally use this anywhere from your top lip down. And the reason for that is they just don't want you to get it near your eyes for safety reasons. But you can use it on your top lip. That's actually what I'm going to start using this for next. Starting my next treatment sessions, I'm going to do my top lip because right now I do like the dermaplaning because I have like that really fine blonde peach fuzz type hair. And I'm just over it when I can just do this and totally just get rid of it and not have to worry about it. But whatever it is, if it's your pits, your bikini line, your legs, maybe it's your back and you can get someone to help you to reach back there, I 100% recommend Kenzie. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, money back guarantee, and with the recommended use, it should last you 10 years. That's a long time. The Kenzie handset hair removal only costs 1 payment of $229. So when you add up all the cost of your razors, salon appointments, or appointments at some type of center, the gas money it takes you to get to your appointment and back, etc., 1 payment for 10 years of use is a really good deal. They're also offering free shipping right now on their website and $50 off when you use the discount code. And if you are ready to invest in a Kenzie, I will post the link to shop down below in the description box for you guys, so you can check that out along with a bunch more information. They say that most people see results within 3 to 4 weeks or treatments on average, and you're only supposed to use it or need to use it once a week. Obviously, your results are going to vary. It's going to depend on how much hair you grow, how coarse your hair is, how dark it is, the area you're treating, and just until you are personally satisfied with the results. And then it's so easy after your treatments as well because you only need to use it once every 2 to 3 months to maintain. That's amazing. That's way better than having to shave every other day, which I was doing. Convenience is seriously like almost everything. Results are almost instant. It only takes a few treatments to start seeing the results. There is no need to feel self-conscious about unwanted body hair anywhere now. You don't even need to go see someone else at an appointment to remove the hair for you. You can just do it yourself. A few other important things I think you should know about Kenzie is you should always apply sunscreen after using Kenzie and moisturize, keep your skin hydrated because the use of IPL can cause sensitivity to the skin. And you honestly should just wear sunscreen and hydrate and moisturize your skin anyway. Your skin is thirsty. Hydrate. Protect from the sun. I just cannot stress to you guys enough how simple, how easy, how painless, how amazing the Kenzie is. You don't need to worry about shaving or waxing or plucking anymore or ingrown hairs or the worry of did I shave? I hope I answered any questions you guys may have had about Kenzie IPL hair removal handset. If you guys do have any more questions, make sure you comment them down below and I will answer them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and all your support on my channel. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night, and I will see you guys in the next video. Cheers.